Welcome to a tour of our Catholic school websites. Here's a look at the home page of the website, and we can see that it has a nice slideshow. It also has text, buttons, and a navigation menu. But let's take a look at the back-end editor to see just how easy it is to update and maintain this website. Okay, here we are in the editor, and we'll see the website appears almost exactly as it does in the live view. Let's take a look at editing some text. We simply click in the text box and we can type in our new text right here. If we want to make this text a link, we can highlight it, click link. We can then link to an external website, any page on this website. We could upload a file such as a PDF or make the link an email address. We click save and this would turn into a link very easily. If we want to remove it, we just click delete. We can also highlight text, make it bigger, make it smaller, change the color, change its alignment. We can do all sorts of things to modify this text. Okay, let's take a look at the pages. Here we have all the pages on the left, and these are the pages that appear on the website. You can see that some are indented. The indented ones means that they fall underneath the top page in the navigation menu. For example, About Us drops down to Staff. If we want to make a new page, we simply click Add, Standard Page, and our new page is created. We can drag it wherever we'd like. Here we'll put it underneath About Us, and we'll call this New Page. Let's click Save and Edit, and go see what it's like to work with the new page. Okay, here's our blank page. We can drag a title right onto the screen, call it New Page. We can drag the divider on, makes it look nice. We can drag in a little bit of text. Text goes here. We can then drag an image onto the screen. Here's our image block. I'd like it to appear over here on the right hand side. As you see, as we drag it over to the right, it instantly made a new column. Let's upload an image. We will grab a picture here, and we see it uploads quickly and it fills half the page. If we wanted to put in more text, we could put in text right here and we automatically create a new column. We could then throw in a divider line at the bottom if we wanted some more space. Let's take a look at some other things that we can add. You see that everything is automatically adjusting as we remove or add the features. We can easily add a map. You drag in the map. You click on the map, you simply type in your address and the cursor will change. You can drag in a slideshow. You can also drag in a contact form. The contact form comes with some pre-existing fields, but if you'd like to add more, simply click on the contact form and drag over a new field. For example, let's say that you wanted to add in some checkboxes. You could drag them over. They appear, and then you can edit options to change the options in your text boxes. You can continue doing this with many other features on the left-hand side. You then click Form Options and you can decide who receives this email when it's submitted. Okay, let's save this. Let's delete this and look at another feature. Embed code is a way for you to embed something like a Google Calendar or a Facebook news feed. Those programs will give you snippets of code that you simply paste in here, and when you click away, the calendar or the news feed or the other link that you are provided will appear right here inside your website. Okay, the spacer feature helps you add in a little extra space somewhere if you need it. Once you add it, you can then readjust it as well. See how easy it is to resize columns? All right, let's delete that. Buttons are very easy. You drag a button onto the screen. You click on the button, click link, and just like our text links, you can link to these various options very easily. To change the text in the button, you simply type here and you change the text. You can also make your button a little bit bigger. Okay. HD video is an amazing feature. You drag this onto the screen and you click here to upload, and you can upload your video right into your website. The same goes for audio. It's a great way to include MP3 files, recordings of talks or seminars that you might have. Again, you click on it, click upload, and the file will play right from here. You can even add in multiple of these audio files. So let's say you had several talks or several recordings that you wanted to appear on your website. You could place them all here. And also, just to demonstrate how easy it is to move things around, you could drag this file right over here and it would appear to the below the picture. Okay, let's look at some other features. YouTube is even easier. You drag it onto the screen and you simply type in the YouTube URL right here and the video will appear. Block quote is a neat feature to help you set apart some text. You just put in your new text here. This works well if you're quoting someone or just simply want your text to look a little bit different than the rest of the text. You can also do a survey, put in an RSS feed, or do a RSVP form, which is very much like a contact form. Social icons are very powerful and easy to use. You click here and you simply type in the URL for your social media links and they will appear on your website. And again, you can simply drag things wherever you'd like to help reorder your page. It's all very easy. You simply drag things around and move them around. Okay, let's go back to the home page. You see we can navigate inside the editor as well. Here we are on the home page, and let's take a look at how this website will look on a mobile device. We click the mobile view icon, and here we are. The home page has been nicely reformatted for a mobile device. The slideshow is still in place. The buttons are here, the text is here, and the navigation is here, even including all of our sub-navigation pages. It's all right here. This happens automatically, but this is a way for you to view it just to make sure it looks the way you want it to look before going live. Okay, let's go back to the desktop view. Let's take a look at how easy it would be to change slides on this slideshow. We click Edit Slideshow, and we see all the slides on the top of the page. If we want a new slide, we simply click Add New Slide, Upload, pick one, and it would upload. We can click on any existing slide and click Edit Slide. We can then resize it, move it around, crop it, rotate it, add text, or add an image. So it's very easy to upload your photos as they are and make them look good inside the slideshow. We'll click OK and save our changes. We can also add a caption to our slides, and we can link any slide to any other website page on the internet or inside of our website. Okay, let's click Save. Let's go back to the pages to see a few other features. Here we are on our new page, and we can go into Advanced Settings, and we can update the title and description and meta keywords for this page. This is helpful for search engine optimization. Here we have our inquiry packet. You'll notice the little eyeball with the X by it and this checkbox, Hide Page and Navigation. That means that this page is not accessible from the navigation menu, but it is a live page. This is a great way to add pages to your website without busying up your navigation menu. You can still link to these pages from emails or from buttons inside of your websites. Okay, let's take a quick look at the settings function. Inside settings, we can change the site title, which appears on the top of the mobile view. We can also apply a site password. When we type in a site password, we can then go to pages and we can password protect any page by simply selecting anyone with site password. There's also a members feature that you can access. Okay, let's go back to build and let's log out of the editor for a second. And this is the page that you see when you first log in. You can see that some great statistics are provided on what pages are being visited, how those pages are being accessed, and what search words are used. This is a demo site, so there isn't any keyword results yet. Over here in Form Entries, we see the submissions that have been made to our Inquiry Packet Request form. If there are more, they would appear here. And we can export this data by clicking Export Data, and it will be downloaded as a CSV file. Okay, let's log back in to edit the site. And here we are back inside of the website editor. And let's take one more look at the site in its live format. Here it is. And as you can see, this is the navigation menu to all of the pages inside the website. This concludes our tour of the website and the back-end editor.